highway engines dead in a field of flies. Radio static, no one talking, just a dry wind whispering lies. Old house leaning like it's listening, porch creak slow in the heat. Shadows move in the doorway, barefoot on splintered feet. Something breathing in the silence, something dragging through the yard. You can run but you can't outrun it when the daylight hits this hard. In the land of dust and bone, where the scarecrows guard the throne, hear that engine scream and moan. You're never getting home. Steel sings low, sky turns red, fields remember what they fed. Out here you're alone, in the land of dust and bone. Dinner table set for strangers, porcelain smiles, cracked and thin eyes, back glittering like broken bottles. Welcome to the house you're in. Footsteps pounding down the hallway, heartbeat choking in your grove. Every door just leads to nowhere, every prayer you never wrote. Sweat and fear like gasoline, one spark in the night, face made of another sorrow, dancing in the pale moonlight. In the land of dust and bone, where the scarecrows guard the throne, hear that engine scream and moan. You're never getting home. Steel sings loud, sky turns red, fields remember what they said. Out here you're alone, in the land of dust and bone. No sirens on this back road.